pa rin, kung sa tratado, ang iwan naman yung larawan, Diyos sa ginagawa, ang makibanding kinarawan nila, dahil yan ang kanila sa pagkayaran pa. So, yung pagkakitan siya, pagparago na barko, yung natanggang iwan na, at yung lakanan ng tagpawin, yan ang ano, yung mga tao, sa Cristo. So, they brought the image inside the church, there was created by the parishioners of Guadua. After a couple of years, it was transferred to the United. In the church, which was named after him, the San Cristo Chapel. Tapos kanya po, kaya nakamit ko sila buong distansyado, malapit yan o, tawag ko. And you know the story, around 1903, hindi ka maraming pumatag sila sa Tabanelong ng Guadua. Great fire occurred which caused major destruction from Barangay Santo Cristo to San Pedro. And in order to save the image of Apong Senyor, it was brought back to the parish church. Binalik din po kami ng 1903, ininimahin ng Apong Senyor ay hindi na tamo parokya. Dati kami, binalik imahin ng Apong Senyor. And that is one of the reasons why the image is black in color. Black na pamilya. Siguro some theories, hindi na yung great fire, aming megaman, yung 1903. Kaya po siguro ba ito yung tulad tayo ng isa mo, bumanglo yung imahin ng Apong Senyor. The former librarian of Guadua National Colleges, Miss Aurora Teresa.
Sabi ka kaklase ko. Thanks ka ba? Sabi niya, dito ka lang. Yung maganda sa mga cases
have a great day everyone and thanks for watching. Bye bye.